3421 Bayou Sound is located on the Bay Isles waterway behind the gates of the Longboat Key Club. With views overlooking Buttonwood Harbor. It has 3782 square feet of air-conditioned living space all on one level. A gentle staircase leads you to the front door. Once inside, a foyer greets you and leads you directly into the spacious great room. With volume ceilings and a wall of glass overlooking the pool and bayou. The room features a wood-burning fireplace and a service bar for entertaining. The formal dining area is open to both the great room and kitchen. The kitchen is spacious in size with plenty of cabinets and counter space. A center island features a gas cooktop. There is also a chef's desk. The master bedroom with wood flooring overlooks the pool on one side of the waterway, Buttonwood Bay on the other. The master bath is spacious with a dual sink vanity, a spa tub and separate shower. The first guest bedroom also has wood flooring, and the bath with tub shower. The second guest bedroom suite is very spacious in size. With an adjoining bath that doubles as a pool bath.